So the very main pulley here on the top of the supercharger, I'm pretty sure that's it. I can spin it, but there's like play in it. But it doesn't look loose. I don't know, I'm about to check those bolts now. Right now all the pulleys are off. This is the main. I'm gonna wiggle it up. It's making this rattle when it's running. This is what we believe it is, the main shaft of the supercharger. Gonna put it all back together and go from there, check. So the pulley's back on. It's the shaft, not the pulley though.
Something in there bearing.
Yeah.
Some gear latch.